Hello and welcome to the Hill. My name is Paige and this channel is all about our DIY journey on the Saskatchewan prairies. Today we are down at the family farm and we are digging out some old water troughs that we'll be repurposing in our landscaping projects. Let's get started. Following decades of watering livestock, these old galvanized steel water troughs have been retired to the scrap pile. We're going to breathe some new life into them and repurpose them for some flower beds. Started with a good cleaning to remove about 15 years of rust and cobwebs. This trough flower bed is getting placed on one of our exterior walls below the window. So the next step was customizing the depth so that it fit correctly in the space. I did this by measuring from the top rim of the trough to a depth of about 15 centimeters. Using this highly sophisticated board, I measured my straight line so I could get to cutting. Safety first. I used a grinder to make my cut. My work with the grinder is done. My trough turned planter bed has been cut down to a 15-inch depth. It's time to install. As you might have guessed, I did lose some structural integrity from the water trough after cutting off the bottom. So what I've done is I've gone in and reinforced it. I did use untreated 2x4s to secure this, and I know this will rot away over time, but I'm fairly confident that the trough will be well settled in position before that happens. I really took my time here getting everything nice and level. At the base of my trough is a combination of clay and crushed rock. I backfilled the bottom of my trough planter with gravel, then added some organic material so I didn't need to use as much topsoil. From there I added my topsoil, a bit of composted manure, and it was ready for planting. And here's the end result. I'm so happy with how this upcycle project turned out. It was easy and super cost effective.